Hello everyone. Today, I will bring you the CX-GFT Automatic Dropper Bottle Filling Line of Chengxiang. The production line is composed of bottle feeding machine, filling and capping machine, labeling machine and bottle collecting turntable machine. This is filling machine. The filling machine nozzles adopts a drip-proof needle design and has servo-driven control and photoelectric detection to ensure that no bottle no filling. This is a mechanical arm that can automatically pick and place caps and tips. In addition, this machine also uses a Siemens touchscreen operating interface, making it easy to operate and manage, achieving control of dosage, speed regulation, and maximizing improved production efficiency and product quality. The star wheel we use is wear resistant, high temperature resistant, low temperature resistant, and not easily deformed. This is the labeling machine. It can be customized according to your products. We use the Germany Lewis label sensor. Labeling accuracy is very high, and we are also equipped with date printer optional. In summary, this CX-GFT automatic dropper bottle filling line is an efficient, stable, and safe mechanical product. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more products, please subscribe, or please contact us, send us an email.